She put some baking soda under eyes. The result is wonderful. Baking soda is something of an all-purpose product most people keep on hand within their homes. We all know, if we plan on baking, we'd better stock up on the handy substance. Many of us have a box in the refrigerator to keep unsavory odors at bay. Some of us even use baking soda to brighten and whiten our teeth. However, baking soda has quite a few health benefits we may not realize. Baking soda is a key ingredient in those brownies the whole family loves, but few people think to use it to alleviate the resulting heartburn. The truth is, baking soda is used for numerous medicinal purposes. While you should consult your physician before ingesting baking soda, the substance is beneficial for your skin, hair, and teeth. Baking soda added to your bathwater soothes skin irritations, while serving as a natural exfoliant according to health guidance. This all-purpose substance even works as a deodorant without parabens and aluminum, but what baking soda does for your face is amazing. Acne plagues people of all ages. However, rather than investing a small fortune in expensive products, simply use a baking soda mask. A natural antibiotic, it cures the fungal infection that causes acne and heals the damage. A baking soda mask also works on blackheads by loosening the skin around them and drawing out the infection. Even if you don't have acne, a baking soda mask opens your pores, absorbs unwanted oils, and gives your skin a healthier glow. Countless people battle dark circles and under-eye bags. Unfortunately, most remedies fall short. Baking soda provides a natural alternative with amazing results. Mix a glass of hot water and a teaspoon of baking soda and soak cotton balls in the solution. Place the cotton balls under your eyes and leave them there for approximately 15 minutes. Then wash your face and apply a no-oil moisturizer. Just like that, the dark circles and bags are gone. One of the greatest benefits of a baking soda mask is you can make one for your skin type and need. However, for a basic baking soda mask, mix a tablespoon of cool water and 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda together to create a thick liquid. Gently smooth over your clean skin and leave it there for up to 10 minutes. Then rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. For dry skin, you should keep the mask on for a shorter period as baking soda removes facial oils. However, leave the mask on longer if you have oily skin. Be sure to apply an oil-free moisturizer to prevent dry skin problems. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow the link below this video for more information.